Hello everyone. Good morning student. Today we will see the economics subject. Unit number 5 basic concept in economics. Today word of marking the scientific invention of discoveries. This remarkable in scientific of progress unable to probe into the questions. What is the science? The science is the systemic body of knowledge. There is a two part of main in science, nature science and social science. Nature science means of the who are the law of the universal inacceptable of the their validity can be tested in laboratories and control of the conditions. Natural science is the also called instant science of the because there in the empirical approach the study in mathematics, physics, chemistry. The social science is the correct in the abstract and the behaviors of the science in the because related of the study some of the others except of human behaviors. Psychological related of the mental accept and human behaviors. Sociological in the related of the study in the social accept in the man as the member in society. The human behaviors of the neither empirically in the tested of the study in the laboratory. The hence of the law of the social science are the universal of the statement in the general human tendency. Meaning of economics. Economics is the social science. The origin in the term of economics lies of the Greek word in economica. Economia in the Greek word of economics. Greek word. Which meaning of managing the household. Economics is the refer of the queen of the social science. The by Paul Samuelson in economic deals of the economic aspect in the human behaviors. It deals of the human being the satisfy unlimited want to unlimited means. Let's have the understand in the nature of economic respect to some popular definitions. Kautilya views of economics. The artha means wealth and sastra means science. Artha means wealth. Shastra means science. Kautilya. Arthashastra implies the sense of equaling the managing wealth of essentially in Arthashastra in terms of the political economic in bread of scenes. Key points of the basic Kautilya views. First, critical roles of the state of government focus in the creation wealth of the means ensure of welfare in the state. Third, need of the efficient in administration of machinery, goods and governance. Fourth, complements and the political idea in the Arthashastra. The definition of economics. Adam Smith. Adam Smith, the Arthashastra is Janus. The wealth-oriented definition of economics. Classical economics. Adam Smith is also regarded in the father of economics as a given of wealth oriented of definition in economic out of the money literacy of contribution in economics. He is most of famous in the 176 keyword of the inquiry of the nature in the case of wealth of the nation in Adam Smith definition economics as well as science of wealth. Keyword of the Adam Smith definition. Lies clear, non-intervention of the government. Second, capital and wealth accumulation, nature law of the economic affairs, definition of the labor and accept of the proof of theory. Second, Professor Alfred Marshall in the welfare-oriented definition. Neoclassical economics Professor Alfred Marshall has given the welfare-oriented definition of economics in the book of Intellect, Principle of Economics, which of the published 1890 as the definition of state. Economic study in the mankind in the ordinary business of life. In examines is the part of individual and social action which of the closely in connect of the attainment use of the material required we build up begin. Keyword of Marshall definition. study in the ordinary man. Economics is the pure of science, study of the material welfare. Economics is not to simply of study well. Third definition, Robbins. The Robbins means is the most popular definition in economics. Robbins is the book of application in Asia of the nature in the significance in economic science, published in the 132. 132 mention of the about the scarcity oriented definition. Economics is the science which of the study human viewers of the relationship between the ends of the source means of the alternative uses. Key of point Robbins: wants end of the unlimited, means of the complementary limited, wants in the global of basic property in means of the have alternative uses. Branches of economics, today we will see the stock, tomorrow we will see the branches of economics, microeconomics, Kenneth Boulding and basic concept of the microeconomics. Thank you so much.